mean constant velocity. It does not mean constant acceleration. It depends on the mass, it depends on the angle, it depends on the surface, and then. The crate accelerates at 0.1 meters per second squared to the right. Crate P experiences a constant frictional force of that, and Q a constant frictional force of that. All right. Now, before you read a question, what are you going to do? Draw a free body diagram. They are going to ask it later on, but you are going to first do it for yourself. Okay? So this was what's question 20. Okay, so we have, I'm quickly just going to redraw it. Q, P, 1.25 to 7.5. Okay, so we have P and we have Q. Taswar, give me the forces acting on P, please. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. To the? Yes. Okay, forces on Q, Boitumelu. Sorry, I couldn't hear. Towards the, yes. 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 To the right, at an angle. Ne? Then you are special. Before you highlight, you're going to split this up into its perpendicular components. Okay, now those listening at home, please listen up. You guys as well. They were very strict last year. When they ask you, draw a free body diagram, then they do not want you to split it up into components. When you do it for marks. When you do it for yourself, you split it up and you highlight. But when they ask it as a question, you do not split it up. You do not highlight. Okay, this is just for yourself. So we highlight the forces that are in the same plane.
So like, what if you draw it like without the angle?
No.
One going up?
No. No. They had a big discussion the other day and said, don't do that, don't teach your learners that. Because I know there's some teachers that teach that, that don't want it. Alright. Now, can I say for object P that Fn is equal to Fg? Yes, you can. Why? Because the object is accelerating to the right. It's not accelerating up or down. And there's only two forces, so they will be equal to one another. So, Nomta, can I say for Q that Fn is equal to Fg? Why not? There's also a y component. I can say that y plus n gives me g. Okay. Right. So, question 20.1. They are state Newton's second law in words, Fatima.
Whenever the force acts on an object, the object will accelerate in the direction of the force, while acceleration is directly proportional to mass. Acceleration and inverse.
No, acceleration is directly proportional to
Force and inversely proportional to mass.
of the object. Mooi. Right, then 20.2, they ask you to draw a free body diagram of all the forces acting on P, and it counts 4 marks, and we technically have done that. 20.3.1, they say, calculate the size of the tension in the rope. Calculate the size of the tension in the rope. Okay, now you can look at any one of the two tensions because they are the same rope, so the same tension. So you can either look at P or at Q. Which one will be easier? P. Alright, so quickly look if you look at P, if you can get the answer. Go. Calculate the tension in the rope. Where's your cell phone? Booklet? Yours? Yours? Nee, Jongela. Okay, where's the question? There's the question. Will they have different accelerations? Easy peasy. Okay, because if you look at object P, you start with this formula. You choose to the right to be positive because it's moving to the right or accelerating to the right. They gave us the frictional force, they gave us the mass, they gave us the acceleration. Okay, then they ask calculate the angle theta. So now they want that angle theta there. Alright, so now we're obviously going to look at object Q. Alright, so put the question on the board again. No. Why do you want to look at Fn? Mm-hmm.
What is FY? Is it cos Phsc?
Draw your triangle and figure it out. For
F of
Confused.
Not able to let me do just like
If you highlight, which courses are you looking at?
the one.
You choose a positive direction. How do you calculate ABX? Draw your triangle.
So this one. Oh.
They gave you it.
So it's gonna be this. I see. Left row is ready to go. Okay.
Yeah, but why is it a minus?
Oh, it's supposed to be plus. Sorry. Oh, 84?
I get 54.
Wow.
Can I take that away? Okay. Binne.
Ek is laatst geprobeer by juffrou op die sag gesê met juffrou moet teken.
Okay.
I did 54.
That's easy peasy. There is second break praise and worship in Miss Prinslow's class. Moenie lag nie. All right.